Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows in Smartsheet. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize and expand your spreadsheets as your projects grow and evolve. First, you'll need to navigate to smartsheet.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. This is where all your existing files and sheets are stored. Take a moment to browse through your available sheets and locate the specific one where you want to insert new rows. Once you've found it, simply click on that sheet to open it. Now wait for the sheet to fully load before proceeding. Depending on the size of your sheet and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once everything is visible and ready, you can move on to the next step. Here's where the actual insertion happens. Look through your sheet and identify the exact location where you want to add your new rows. This is important because Smartsheet gives you precise control over where rows appear in your sheet. Once you've decided on the location, right-click directly on the row number on the left side of the sheet. A context menu will pop up with several options. You'll notice two specific choices for adding rows: insert row above and insert row below. If you want to add a row directly above your selected row, click Insert Row Above. If you need the new row to appear below your current selection, choose Insert Row Below instead. This flexibility allows you to structure your sheet exactly how you need it without having to manually move content around afterward. After clicking your preferred option, the new row will appear immediately in your sheet. You can now start filling it with whatever data or information you need. If you need to add multiple rows, simply repeat this process as many times as necessary. And that's it. You've successfully inserted rows into your Smartsheet, giving you the flexibility to organize your data exactly how you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.